under this arm. Okay? Now from here, Thomas is going to grab inside of both knees. Inside, not the top. Yeah, there you go. Now crab walk backwards. Use almost like we split the guard from the other way. Now we're going to split it from back control. Push his legs. Pick a side. Let's jump. Which side do you want to jump to? This side? So he's going to jump over. Keep walking, walking, walking. Keep holding that door. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Now from here, he's going to turn into side control. Now first, no, go back. Go back. Hold that leg. Now you're going to, this hand is going to take that hand spot. As you look at the feet, don't get caught in guard though. Bring this leg underneath. That's why you got to walk really far to the head. Walk really far to the head and turn, and side control. Okay, good. And back inside back control. This one we just call crab and jump. We're going to crab walk up, jump over. Okay? So he grabs inside the knees, crab walks backwards, presses to split them, jumps over. Keep that holding. Walk, walk, walk toward his head. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Once your feet get kind of near the head, it gives you room to roll without going into his guard. If he started his roll right here, he'd roll right back into half guard. Okay? He's going to take that hand to hold that leg and switch, and then roll, turn into side control. Okay? Now show me all by yourself, Thomas. Notice how he had to let go of one hand, otherwise it'd be trapped underneath you. Let that one hand go that you're blocking, but keep holding with the other. Then what? Good. Everybody got that one? On three. 1, 2, 3. Face me like they were. I'll take you through the first one or two. Look at how they're sitting. Good. They get the seatbelt, grab inside of their knees, crab walk backwards, press their knees apart, jump over it, walk, walk, walk toward their head, keep walking, holding it open, and switch hands and turn. Yes, that would be really easy for kids, but literally almost every roll I watch Thomas do that one. He does really good at that one. And again. They seatbelt up. Grab inside legs. Crab walk. Press it open. Jump over. Walk, walk, walk toward the head. Switch hands and turn. Yes, keep going for me over and over again. We have about 40 seconds left. Lily, do you know this one? Then what?
It's the arm out. Leg control.
Yeah, do you remember how to do the crab and jump?